Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the conclave on the school educations in 21st century under the National Education Policy 2020 through video conferencing. Modi said that mark sheets became pressure sheets for students and prestigious sheets for families. National Education Policy goal is to remove this pressure. Modi also advocated the use of mother tongue in teaching. He also stressed the fact that English would not be overlooked.
Strongly making a case for the use of mother tongue as the medium of instruction in school, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that people trapped in bookish knowledge often fail to grasp that language is a way to communicate knowledge but not the entire knowledge in itself. Top-ranking countries impart primary education in the mother tongue, he said. The language which the children hear at home is a language in which they learn the fastest, Modi said. Learning in another language can be quite stressful for children. Till grade 5th, the medium of instruction should be mother tongue or the local language according to the NEP, he said.
पढ़ाई मातृभाषा से अलग होने पर ज्यादातर पेरेंट्स बच्चों की पढ़ाई से जुड़ भी नहीं पाते। ऐसे में बच्चों के लिए पढ़ाई एक सहज प्रक्रिया नहीं रह जाती, बल्कि पढ़ाई स्कूल की एक ड्यूटी बन जाती है। पेरेंट्स और स्कूल के बीच में एक खाई हो जाती है, एक दीवार हो जाती है। इसलिए जहां तक संभव हो, कम से कम ग्रेड 5 कक्षा 5 तक शिक्षा का माध्यम मातृभाषा, स्थानीय भाषा रखने की बात राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति में कही गई है।
Speaking at this Diksha Parv, an event organized by the Union Education Ministry, Modi also sought to make it clear that while local language were being promoted in the new National Education Policy, there were no bar at all on the teaching of English or any other language that can be helpful on the global stage.
राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति में मातृभाषा के अलावा कोई अन्य भाषा सीखने सिखाने पर कोई प्रतिबंध नहीं है, कोई रोक नहीं लगाई गई है। अंग्रेजी के साथ जो भी विदेशी भाषाएं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पटल पर सहायक है, अगर बच्चों का मन करता है जरूर पढ़े, सीखें, किसी को इतराज नहीं है। और जितना ज्यादा सीखेगा अच्छा ही होगा।
Modi said that Indian language will also be promoted. Modi said the NAP also addresses another problem, that of education being mark sheet based rather than learning based. Bureau Report.